2001 BMW Z3. If you listen to the blower, yeah, I don't really like how it sounds, so we're gonna take a look at it. First we are going to take out the windshield wiper arms, then take out this plastic piece right here. Let's see in what condition it is. We're gonna pop out the cover. Looks like it's been broken, so somebody probably messed with it before, or at least opened it. Ooh, I see now what's happened. This piece is broken right here. Good thing that I have spare blower with me. Okay, this is out. This arm might be on the way, so I'm gonna turn ignition, turn the windshields, and quickly turn off. Okay, it did the job. And this one, I got a little hole that I'm gonna use a little pick this thing. Boom. Got it out. Nice and easy. There goes the blower. This was the damaged part right here. Whenever it increases in the speed, the fin spools to the side and it rubs against the wall. It did the damage right here. Clean as much as scrap as possible while we are here. Making sure that our recycling air flaps working properly. I'm using out of different car, so this wheel was a little too close and this one was touching the wall. So whenever you're gonna adjust, just make sure it's not touching anywhere here, it's not rubbing against, which is dust right now. And if you can see, I have a little space, so I'm gonna move this one here. And let's see, this one, yeah, this one gonna be out as well, moved a little bit this way. The way how I'm moving, I grab like a pliers or something like that, and you can move actually. So you would want to hold on to here, to the shaft, and move one of the, what is that, fin blower fan, either way. Alright, sounds like it's doing pretty good, so we're gonna lock it up. We got brown to gray or brown, I believe, and red to blue. Do not forget about the resistor. Let's fire up. Yeah, baby. Don't forget about the zip tie action right here. And let's put the cover on. So this was the problem right here. Please like, subscribe, and have a beautiful day.